Hey, what's going on? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something to this air compressor here. I'm going to be changing out the valve on the bottom to make it easier to reach. So if you ever had a compressor like this, it's tall, the valve's on the bottom, you got to get down on your hands and knees and reach under there to let the air out when you're done using it. So there's this cool thing I found on Amazon. It's actually an extension kit made just for this so that the extension will hang out and you can just release it without having to like crawl under there and whatever. So here's the kit. It's called the Kbrotech Extended Tank Drain Valve Assembly Kit. Flexible braided steel tube, 10-inch long, 1/4-inch NPT pipe fitted for air compressor. You can pick this up on Amazon for $13.99. That's a pretty good deal. I don't even know if you can go buy the parts at the hardware store for that cheap to do this. So just save yourself the time and the hassle and buy the kit. I'll put a link for that down in the video description. If you use my link, you can help support this channel because I do get a tiny commission from each sale. So I'm gonna open this up and lay the stuff out so we can see what it comes with. All right, so in the package here, it comes with the extender, and it's already put together. It comes with some Teflon tape. This is a 1/4-inch NPT thread that goes in the bottom of the tank. I guess some tanks must be 3/8 NPT, so they give this adapter to go from 1/4 to 3/8 right there. And that's it. And then there's the valve right here, so it's just a 90-degree turn valve. So it's open and closed like that. And actually, these are just finger tight on there. They're not really on there. I don't know, there's this red like thread lock on it, but they also send you with the tape. So I'm gonna tape them anyway. And then basically it just screws into the bottom of the tank. So I'm gonna flip the tank over, pull the old one out, and then assemble this and put that one in. So we bought this used. This has actually already been replaced. This is why I thought about replacing it. This, I don't know, it's just kind of like ghetto rigged. Somebody did this to put this on, but when you do that, it hits the ground. So you can't actually drain it. I don't know, it was bad design, whoever put this little thing on. So anyway, just gonna use a wrench and pull this guy off. All right, so the old one is 1/4-inch, so I don't need to use the adapter. These are the same size. I am going to put thread tape on. All right, so I'm going to install this 90-degree angle first. And now the hose. And the valve here. All right, now I'm just gonna flip it up, we'll plug it in and test it out. Want to make sure that the valve is closed. That's closed, the other way is open. I don't know if there's enough air in it now. Yeah, see? It's already starting to drain liquid. So that's exactly why we have these things on here, so we can drain the liquid out of them. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna run this thing full of air and drain whatever liquid's in there out of there, so that it all gets out. Maybe even just plugging it in will work. All right, so I tested it out and the tank was actually clogged. There was so much crap in this thing because the previous owner must have never drained it. So I just cleaned out the clog and now I can show you exactly how this thing works. So if you got anything out of this video, give it a thumbs up down below. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think about this thing. And subscribe for more tool videos and other stuff like this. And I will see you on the next video.